The easiest way to burn through your ad budget in 2026 is by driving cold traffic to a non-interactive lead magnet. If you watch this video where I spoke about the different types of lead magnets and the one you want to use as your front-end offer, then you will understand what I mean when I say driving traffic to non-interactive lead magnets. Non-interactive lead magnets like a webinar convert lower than an interactive lead magnet like a quiz or a calculator or an assessor. And in 2026, you want to make sure that you're driving cold traffic to an interactive lead magnet. That way your ICP is getting immediate value in the quickest possible time that it can get it. So this is a funnel architecture that we used for a financial advisor and tax strategist, and you can adopt it for yourself. It starts with the offer, of course. Before we get to the ads or anything, it starts with the offer creation and also the ICP research. For the offer, she's offering tax deduction strategies and also retirement planning for freelancers and digital entrepreneurs. The target audience for this particular offer that she has is digital entrepreneurs and freelancers doing over $120,000 in annual revenue. So the revenue cap is there, and also it's specific. For our research, we went into subreddit groups where our ICP are talking about taxes and retirement. So these are some of the groups that we came to. These are some of the subreddits we visited and some of the conversations we just observed and analyzed to build the lead magnet. After we had analyzed it, some of the common threads we saw was that not only were people complaining about the tax bill they have to pay, they were also worried about their retirement, and that formed the basis for the lead magnets that we created, which was a tax deduction and retirement parity tool. After creating the lead magnets, we're driving cold traffic from Facebook towards the landing page, and also on the same landing page we have a VSL, we have the calculator, and then we have the booking link directly on the same landing page. So it's from ads to landing page to booking link. Everything is just about 2-step. They don't have to go to another page or go to another link or watch a webinar before they're able to book a meeting with the financial advisor. And it's easier to have this shorter funnel system because in the calculator we already built in filters to disqualify people who don't meet the criteria that the financial advisor has set. And for her, the major criteria is the annual revenue, which like I said before is $120,000 in annual revenue. So we already put that cap and put that filter into the tool. So whoever doesn't meet that revenue gap or revenue bar won't even be able to make or book a meeting with a financial advisor. So these are some of the ads that we're using for the offer. We also have a couple of video ads. We have about 4 video ads. This is like the ad script. So we have the video ads, and then this is the lead magnet that we're running the ads to. So we have the VSL, which is a very short VSL, less than 3 minutes, and then we have the calculator, which if I come here and let's see, let me just impute something else. Okay, it's analyzing it immediately. You can see the ICP would see the annual recoverable cash, also the solo 401k parity cap, and how it compares to the standard IRA limit. They also get a short analysis of the amounts they are losing to the IRS every single month and why they are losing that amount. They also the financial advisor is also setting up expectations about the meeting, and then the ICP can book a meeting directly with the financial advisor here. So this is the landing page that we built for that particular offer. So if you've been thinking about setting up a sales funnel for your service in 2026 and you're thinking about a simple sales funnel that you can set up, this is a perfect example of one you can set up. So create your lead magnets, preferably an interactive lead magnet like a calculator, a quiz, or an assessor. Run ads to that lead magnet, but make sure you're embedding that lead magnet on a landing page that maybe has your VSL and your booking link, so everything is quite streamlined and the gap between awareness and engagement is shortened. You also want to make sure that whatever you're running ads to is delivering immediate ROI to your ideal target audience. Either you're selling a high ticket offer or a low ticket offer, you want to make sure you're delivering immediate ROI. Even the high ticket ICP that's going to pay you maybe 50,000 or 100,000 annually also wants to get immediate value. So you want to use interactive tools that will give them immediate ROI, something that builds trust with them and shows them that if they book a 20 minutes or 30 minutes conversation with you, it will be worthwhile for them. So you want to take all of that into consideration when building your sales funnel in 2026. If you have any questions about sales funnel, how you can build one for your offer in 2026, you can just send me a DM or you drop a comment below, and we can chat about how to build one for you that helps you acquire clients predictably and consistently in 2026.